How to enable direct message on TikTok. So, if you have a problem in finding your direct message or the direct message is unavailable, then you should go to TikTok, go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down, and look for Report a Problem right here. Click on it, wait for it to load, scroll down once again, and click on Direct Messages. Wait for it to load once again, and you should click on Direct Message is no longer available. Click on that one, wait for it to load, and wait for the um, loading to done. So you may now read all of these. So only users age 16 and over will be able to send and receive a direct message. So again, if you are under 16, then that means that you will not have a direct message on your TikTok. And then if you find this helpful, then you may click on yes, and then you may click on no, and if you want to. So that's it. That's how you can enable direct messages on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.